Hey guys, it is me, Stace. I am back again today with another Cricut Explore video. We're also doing our Making It Monday project, and today we're making this really cute box. It's about 3 inches by 2 inches. Opens up at the top. On the side you can see there's a really cute heart cutout. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com, enter in your email and your password, click on sign in. On this page, I'm just going to scroll down until I start getting to the category section. The first category is cards. I'm going to click on View All. Upper right hand corner where it says Cards, click on that and then go down and click on Cricut Access. In the search box, type in the word Party and then click on Enter. There we go. And the project we are making is this one here. It's called the Party Favor Box. Go ahead and click on that. It'll bring up the preview window. Click on Customize. And there's our box there. I did not resize the box. Upper right hand corner, click on Make It. Now if you do want to add sides to your box of paper, you would need 3 pieces of paper. They all measure 1 3/4 by 2 3/4. And you're able to cut the entire box out on one sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I'm going to click on Continue, cut this out with a table and put our box together. Alrighty guys, our box pieces are cut out. I did go ahead and cut my 3 pieces of pattern paper for the sides, and again these all measure 1 3/4 by 2 3/4. I'm now just going to go ahead and finger press on my score marks. This box, when it's done, measures about 3 inches tall by about 2 inches in diameter. So it's a nice size little box. Alright, when you're done, finger press and take your bone folder and go over each crease. Okay, so we have all that. Now I took a little bag, like a little cellophane bag, and I cut it down to fit inside here to make my window sheeting. I'm using art glitter glue, and I'm going to put some glue on the heart on the inside, then just go right around the outside of that heart. Not get too close to the outer edge. And take this and lay it on top. If you want, you can always use like a glittery cardstock or a pattern paper behind here. Okay, let that kind of set. I'm going to flip it over and add my paper to it. Yep. I really do enjoy making boxes. They're so useful for so many things. I do like this size because it's not very big. So you want to give it as a treat box. You can't fit a whole lot of treats in there, but you can certainly fit, probably like a gift card might fit in there, like on an angle a little bit. Maybe a few K-cups might fit in there. Nail polish will fit in there. I think that's what the box was designed to hold, nail polish. So it's a great box for a friend. All right, and our last panel here. If you don't want to add the paper, you don't have to. You can certainly leave your box plain. You can use stamps and stamp your cardstock. I've done that before. Alright, so our paper's on. I'm going to flip it over and make sure I crease that flap there. Put my glue on the flap, and you want to have your glue go all the way to the fold. Okay, then bring this edge over and just line it up. I'm lining up the sides and the score marks. Just kind of give it a pinch, make sure the glue sets nice. Okay, so now we have our box. So we know our heart's going this way, so this is the top of the box. So I'm going to go ahead and work on my bottom. I'm going to put some glue on these flaps here and this little flap, just to keep the bottom from flopping open. Put it in there like that. I'm going to go in there with my finger and just press down on the flap and the bottom flaps as well. If you want to, you can always add a little piece of cardstock in there. All right, so now we have this. I'm gonna fold that over, and there's our box. Super cute. One thing I did not like about the box is there's no finger notch here, so I'm gonna go ahead and make that. I'm just using a 3/4 inch circle punch. Just go in there and make sure it's centered, left to right, and a little less than half. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. So now when we close it, they can see where to grab the box at. So there's the first box. Now I want to share with you guys other variations of it. So we have, let me find it. I did so many, look, I have so many boxes done. All right, that's not that one. Oh, here it is here. Okay. So this is the original box, okay? Here's the front of the box and here's the side. So the heart, you have one heart cut out on one side of the box, on the right-hand side. What if you wanted the heart cut out in the front of the box? Like this one, okay? All of my sides are covered, but the heart cut out is in the front. So a little bit different. Now what if you wanted the heart cut out on the side, but on both sides of the box? So we have this one here. Let me find the opening of it. There it is. Let me get a finger notch that so I can tell the opening. Okay, so there's the front of my box. This is where I put my paper. There's one side, then there's that side. So at the very end of this video, I will add a design space clip showing you guys how to add just the heart cut out on the front or on the sides. Now keep in mind when you are adding it to the sides, when you have that flap that you're putting the glue on to glue the box together, you do want to cut that flap down about 1/4 of an inch, otherwise it's going to cover the part of the heart. Okay, but other than that, it works really good. So you have a few different variations of the box. You can see I made a bunch of them, playing around with them. All right, guys, there you have it, our Make It Up Monday project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Alrighty, so we're back at Design Space, and I have my party box here. Now, if you want to add the heart cutout to the front of the box or to the sides of the box, I'm going to share with you guys how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is click on your box, right-click on that and choose Duplicate. Now we have 2 boxes. On this box here, have it selected. Bottom right-hand corner of Design Space, I'm going to click on Detach. Now it looks like nothing happened, but what we actually did here was detach the score marks. So it's very important not to move the box around. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the outer tab of the box. Again, the bottom right-hand corner of Design Space, click on Contour. And I'm going to hide that heart cutout. Then click on the X to close that. So now we just have a plain box. Now if you want to have just the plain box, you can cut that out. All right, now let's go to this one here. Have it selected. Same thing, bottom right-hand corner of Design Space, click on Detach. I'm going to click on it again. And this time we are able to remove the score lines. We don't need them. Click on it again. Bottom right-hand corner of Design Space, click on Contour. And this time I want to hide the actual box. So I'm going to click on the box, so it just leaves me the heart cut out. Click on the X to close it out. So now we have a box and we have our heart. Now if you want the heart to appear on the front of the box, you're going to put the heart on the second square in. Okay, just like that. Have it centered or get it to where you like it. When you're happy with how that looks, you're going to click on the heart, hold down Shift on your keyboard, and then click on the tab. Bottom right-hand corner of Design Space, you're going to click on the Slice button. Move the top layer of the heart away. Now it looks like our score marks disappeared. They're actually behind the box. So again, I'm going to click on the tab, right-click on that, and choose Send to Back. Now we can see our score marks are back. Take your mouse across the entire thing. Bottom right-hand corner of Design Space, click on Attach. So now we have the heart cut out in the front of the box and our score marks are back on. I'm going to go ahead and choose Undo so I can show you how to do it. You're going to have 2 hearts on the side of the box. Okay, so again, we have our 1 heart that we took from the first box here. Now, if you want the heart to appear on the sides of the box, you're going to bring 1 here and you want to put 1 here. So I'm going to right-click on the heart and choose Duplicate and bring that over. So it's the first and third tab to have the heart cut out on the sides of the box. Now I do want the hearts to be even. So I have 1 heart selected. Again, hold down Shift on my keyboard, click on the other heart. I'm going to go to the Align window on the very top and click Align Bottom. This way I know they're straight. Then I can just kind of move them up as a group, even though they're not grouped together. Okay? So we have that. Now what I want to do is take this heart, use my keyboard or my arrows on my keyboard to scooch it out of the way because I do want to slice the 1 heart off. Okay, that's out of my way. Click on this heart. Again, hold down Shift on your keyboard. Click on the tab of the box. Bottom right-hand corner of Design Space, click on Slice. We can now take this heart away. We're done with that one. Again, I'm going to click on my tab, right-click and choose Send to Back so I can see the score marks. I want to bring this heart back over, so I'm going to click on it. Again, use my arrow keys to move it. This way I'm sure it's lined up with the other heart we added. So just get that in the center. I'm going to click off to see if I like it. I think it looks pretty good. So again, we're going to click on this heart, hold down Shift on your keyboard, click on the tab of the box. Bottom right-hand corner, click on Slice. Take this piece away. We don't need that one anymore. Click on the tab. Right-click and choose Send to Back. So now we can see our score marks. Take your mouse across everything. bottom right-hand corner of design space, click attach. So now we have the box with a heart cut out on the left side and a heart cut out on the right side. All right, hopefully that helps you guys out. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.